Hi, today we have a 2016 Mercedes Sprinter in service, 3 liters diesel or 642 engine. This van has errors in the system due to malfunctioning NOx sensors. But this and other DEF issues will in no way prevent us from performing a software removal of the system. Using this van as an example, we will show you step by step how the installation process of our device looks like. If you have a factory installed radio with a large screen, the screen can be color or black and white. You will only get one OBD2 plug in the package. Now I will show you how to use it. Before installing the device, you need to perform 2 necessary steps. Fill the DEF tank. Charge the battery. To charge the battery, start the engine and wait 30 minutes. Now the van is ready to install our device. Switch on the ignition. To do this, turn the key to the right until the second click. All lights on the dashboard should illuminate. Wait 20 seconds for the radio to fully load. To the left of the clutch pedal, you will find a cover. Open it and find the OBD diagnostic connector. Carefully plug in the device into the OBD connector and press firmly to get a good contact. The light should turn green. The device menu is controlled on the radio screen using the left, right, and star buttons. Installation always starts with Step 1. Now run the script, Step 1. Factory update software, and wait for the download to finish. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Okay, now plug in the module again. Now run the script. Step 2, AdBlue counter reset and wait for the download to finish. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Turn the ignition off again. Turn the ignition back on. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Start the engine 3 times, check if these starts remain, and check engine errors disappear from the instrument cluster. If the errors on the dashboard remain, run Step 2 at least 3 more times. If this does not help, do not follow the installation steps and let us know. If there are no errors on the instrument cluster, turn off the engine. Proceed to install Step 3. Turn on the ignition, key to position 2 and wait 20 seconds. Plug in the device again in the OBD port. In the menu, select Step 3, No AdBlue Software. The name of this script may vary depending on the services you ordered, but always choose Step 3. Wait for the download to complete. Observe the radio screen. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition. Installation is finished. Unplug the module from the OBD port. Start the engine. Check to see if everything is okay. You may get a check engine on the dashboard. This is normal. Carefully close the OBD cover. To remove the check engine, the DEF control unit must be disconnected. Move the driver's seat as close to the steering wheel as possible. Underneath, you will find the DEF unit and a bundle of wires with a black plug connected to it. To easily disconnect the plug, push the clip backwards. Now the installation is fully completed. The check engine is gone. You can continue driving without restrictions. You can place an order at OBDTune.com. Please be available. Our manager will contact you to confirm order details within a few hours. You can also ask us questions on WhatsApp or email. Technical support is available on WhatsApp and email only. Links and contacts can be found in the description.